Pinta, you don't want to try puso ng saging?
Puso ng saging. Yeah, I don't know if this the.
You don't know?
Yes.
This one, it's delicious. Hey, see our dog. Oh. She's sleeping like this. She's sleeping like that. Huh? Nag-kissing na.
Yes, you see my auntie, huh? You see my auntie's nose? Auntie's nose. I tell you that.
Binta bought this one. I changed my pin. Binta bought it.
It's nice.
Jerejef auntie. She bought two pins. Auntie, now you want nose piercing or you still don't want it?
I'm afraid.
Auntie is afraid.
I want to do it, but I'm afraid. You see?
Mm.
What that? Auntie?
Yeah. Oh, my pineapple is growing, ah.
You know the last time I tell you that the pineapple is growing. You tell me that.
That is my pineapple. This is uncle's pineapple.
Today is what? Today is Friday. That's why I said this one is hot. Today is Friday.
What, today is Friday? That's why sun is hot.
Friday is usually normally be like that.
Binta, Ramadan is near. So how we will cook? How I will cook if Ramadan is near?
No, you can cook the small spit. They are there. You can cook and you give them, but you know the minimum. I can eat it.
So guys, their Ramadan is very near. But we can still cook for the kids, small kids, because they don't used to fast. Only the adults and Momodu.
Modo. Modo also is the fast, but it's not every day.
Ah?
Modo is not every day.
He's not fasting every day?
No, you know the Modo is a small boy,
Ah.
but my mother-in-law is the first start to fast. Like, but fasting is not a thing for Modo. You know the Modo is small, but you know that fasting. If you try to child with that, you see if you are going to grow, like you can continue it. That's why they used to fast. Yes. I mean, then they have to fast. Jaja.
Jaja will fast?
Ah no.
Not possible.
You tell me that Binta Maria. You tell me Binta Maria. Me, I don't know, sir. You, look, you see? Try like this, like a what? Miss, I don't understand. So Uncle is telling me that Binta Maria, but that's why I tell her, me, I don't know, but I don't know what Uncle is telling.
He said I came. Do you eat that one?
This?
Yeah.
Huh? No.
Why no?
But this one is not a banana yet.
Yeah, this one can eat.
Yeah.
You don't believe?
Mm.
We are eating this one in Philippines.
Ah,
Yeah.
this, auntie.
Yeah. We can make a burger using this one also.
Mm.
Yeah. You never tried?
No, I never tried.
How about Gambian people? You don't know that you can eat this?
No, the Gambian people, they don't eat this. Yes?
We eat this one.
But auntie, this one thing is not a banana.
This one, yeah, it's not yet banana because it's like the flower of banana. So it will start to sprout na and it will become banana. You don't know? This one can eat. So you only eat banana.
Yes, only banana.
This one we call it heart of the banana.
Ah,
Yeah. Say it. Puso ng saging.
what's on that sandy?
Saging.
Sagi.
Yeah, we call it puso ng saging. Heart of banana.
What's on that sagi?
Maybe we can try to cook this one, ah. Ay, Binta doesn't want to try. This one can eat. It's delicious. We cook it like kilawin.
Kilawin. Plus, we don't know this.
You don't know?
If you cook this stuff.
Binta, you don't want to try puso ng saging?
puso na sa I don't know if this day.
You don't know?
Yes.
This one is delicious.
Now you cut it here, oh.
Yeah, you will cut it here
Mm-hmm.
and then you will remove this one. You will
Something's
remove-
inside, oh.
Yeah, something is inside. That one, the sprout to become
Wait, let me
banana.
see. But if I remove it like
No, it's inside.
inside,
Huh?
now you can cut it.
What?
Hey guys, you know that I'm a Philippine. I want to test this one also, huh?
But Binta is laughing. She doesn't believe we can eat this one. Nah?
I believe you.
You believe me?
Yes.
But here in Gambia, really you never eat this.
Yeah, okay.
How about the moringa? Huh?
Moringa.
Moringa? That one?
Yes.
You,
Moringa.
you eat that?
Yeah.
Uh,
Do you say in that big moringa?
Guys, Binta wants to say something. What do you want to say?
Kamusta, guy? I want to test
Puso ng saging.
puso ng sabi. I want to test it. Yes, you know that I'm Philippine. Now this Philippine, she want to test it.
Mm.
Yes.
So the Philippine wants to eat Philippine food, ah?
Yes. You know
Yes.
now I like Philippine food, huh?
Yeah.
Now I'm Philippine, the auntie.
How about that Jaja's birthday? What your visitors said about the food?
They say the food is nice. I tell them this food is a Philippine food. They say this girl who cook it. This girl can cook that.
Mm.
This food is nice. Some people say, someone is asking me. She say I explained for her how they used to cook that Philippine food.
Mm.
She want to try it.
Mm.
Yeah, someone called me and tell me that. Now I explained it for her.
Yeah.
And the man give me order now. We explain.
Eh, you can explain her na.
No, I don't. I tell her that wait, go wait.
Wait, what? Wait.
I don't ask you, di. I don't ask you, di. But now you give me order now.
I give you order so
Yes.
you can explain.
Yes, today I will call her to explain everything for her. She says she will try it
Binta,
now.
so we are almost 15,000 subscribers now. Guys, thank you for supporting us.
Thank you to you people, huh? We are happy, huh? You are supporting
Yeah.
for us. We are happy for you.
So guys, we will try puso ng saging some other time, because this one it's only one and Ramadan is coming.
Huh? Ramadan is coming.
It's better to cook something else, not puso ng saging. No? So, that's all for today, guys. Sometimes we will try this puso ng saging. Alarm is 1:30.
You're supposed to go.
Okay, guys.
Okay. And the madam is going, huh?
Yeah, always remember, don't forget that you are amazing. Bye-bye.